Way to start the day. It is 5:45 a.m. and this is me, Adi. We have gloves, water, and these are some combs. I'm going to get you through today's Sunday as I make this overlaid video type of look. Get ready with me to church edition. So as you can see, my hair, I just woke up, guys, so don't mind how I'm looking like. And as usual, in my oil closet we have Amla oil. I love this oil, guys. I love this oil. Please, I love this oil. If you need it, you can talk to me. I can plug you where you want to get it. And it is how it makes my hair moisturized. You guys, it's how it makes my hair lashes like. And I forgot to tell you guys, the reason why I like this type of oil on my hair is because I'm fighting gray hair since I turned 13. I've been having gray hair, so it's apparently genetic, but it's how this just all makes my hair look, bald. So with clove water, I'm going in to just moisturize my hair. You guys, I washed my hair like 1 week ago. So to begin with, I'm foreseeing low porosity, and I just want to say a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. My beautiful name is Jacinta, and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. Today's video is about hair care, and so get ready with me. I'm going to do the most requested hair tutorial. We are going to get ready with me as I plait my hair with just a few, I don't know how to call this hairstyle, but let's just get into it. I've parted my hair into this area, so I wanted like a V, like L shape in the middle of the hair, and then I'm going in with a maroon thick wool just to secure the base, but remember it's not tightened. So my hair edges is not as strong as you may be thinking. That's why I make sure I handle it like an egg. So I just do it like very gentle and very slow. So we're going to part hair into sections before we start plaiting with Brazilian hair glue. Thank you for stopping by. I just want to say thank you for the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. If it is your first time, please consider liking, commenting, and when you subscribe and share this video. Here we just talk about hair care, chit chat, and all that vlogs. So I have parted my hair into 6 sides as I detangle, and then this is me hair treatment. And then as usual, I have to moisturize a little bit with tea tree oil and jojoba oil. So these are the kinds of oil that I've been using for a long time. Okay, this is the most sensitive part of it all on this hairstyle. So I just take the Brazilian wool and then I twist it like you can see, guys. Just be gentle, don't be hard on yourself, because we need to keep the edges and the hair intact. And then you just roll it in. So I had forgotten, because I was still sleepy, I was trying to do 3-strand type of braid, and on my way I remembered it cannot work like that. I just need a hairstyle that can take me through a few days. Just to be precise, the longer I can stay with this hairstyle is 1 week, because I like working on my hair myself, just to make sure we're getting there well. It's not pride, it is self-care. And yeah, so I just roll, and then I'll have to secure the end and repeat the same procedure to the other nose. Guys, can you talk to me in the comment box? Is this style relatable to you? Can you try it at home? I know there are some baby girls who cannot plait their own hair. girl, I got you, I see you, but you can try it a day at a time. So I repeated the same procedure, all the sections, and this is how the hair is looking like. I love it, guys. You see how amla oil makes your hair look. Basically, 3 products I've used: amla oil, jojoba and tea tree oil, and Miadi treatment. This treatment is a kind that I've worked with for the last 2 years. So you can get it in your beauty shops or beauty stores or in the supermarket. With amla oil, it's quite a pricey oil, but it's worth it to just invest in amla oil, Your hair needs to look like expensive, You need to take good care of your hair. So as I do this style, I don't mind my wool being seen because I'm African, and the extension I'm gonna use also maroonish, so I just want some color and pimple in there. If you got any questions, you can DM me. And guys, let's get social. Check the description box, and then in the comment box, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and all socials. Let's get chatting. Yes. So I'm going to secure these two at the back end. Yeah. Back end like that. Then we shall see what pops. The secret is just moisturizing and just mastering on how you can do your own hair. As you can see me, I did not seek any perfection. I just like my hair to look as natural as possible, So I did wear a scarf after I finished the hairstyle, and then went shower, do a little bit of makeup, and you guys ready to go to church to serve. I need to be in church by 7:30 a.m. Accessories of today are those ones, and then we're going to use this hair extension, and yes. So the part where I really like tuck in the two hair lines, let me say the two, don't know what to call this, but I'm just going to fix there my extension, because this extension has got a kind of like end thread tag. So I'm just going to roll in there, then secure the end, then just style the extension with the bobby pins in a way I'd want it like. Look, nothing too fancy, just very simple and yet classy and not normal. This day we rock. If you've not watched me on Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, go ahead and you will see a video I shot after a final look of this, like accessorize just a little bit, and that is the center, ready to go to church. A little glamour on my edges and all that. I like the makeup of today, so simple and classy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Blessings. Bye.